Between the mountains, there was a quiet valley where a very big dragon named Kazan lived. He was so large that clouds got stuck on his horns, and when he breathed, the ground trembled slightly. People were afraid of him, so the villagers stayed far away, even though Kazan had a very gentle heart. One day, Kazan decided that he did not want to scare anyone anymore. He slowly walked toward the village
Greetings, traveler.
and said
Welcome
softly,
to my peaceful valley.
"Assalamu
I
alaikum.
hope you find it as
I am
serene as
coming."
I do.
This time, no one ran away. Instead, a small girl smiled and stepped forward, saying, "You are not scary. You are just very big."
The steam
Kazan
smells
used his
wonderful. Enjoy,
fire
my
to bake
friends.
bread, spread his wings like a roof during the rain, and kept everyone warm on cold nights. Little by little, the villagers' fear disappeared, and Kazan was remembered not for fear, but for love.